Yo, what's up guys? Before this video starts, I would like to say follow my Twitter and like and subscribe before this video starts. My Twitter, I give all the good alpha. Right now is the meme coin season, so I was deciding whether or not to make a video about it. So yeah, today's video's topic is how to buy meme coins using Phantom Wallet. So yeah, so what is a meme coin? A meme coin is basically, you can say it's a degen coin, right? So there's too much risk, but the reward is also high in the short term. It's not like cryptocurrency. It does not have long-term benefits that you keep it in there and long-term you get. It's a short-term run. People do it for a quick buck. So if you didn't know what meme coin was, here's just a brief explanation, and now we're gonna go ahead with the video and show you guys how to buy these meme coins through Phantom Wallet. Guys, the first thing is getting your Phantom Wallet downloaded. Either it is on your phone or your PC, does not matter, right? So if you're on PC, then you press Alt Shift and P and you open your Phantom Wallet. Now what do you do? How do you buy these meme coins? Basically, you're buying meme coins on the Solana blockchain, right? So you need some Solana in order to buy them or exchange for those tokens. So what you do is either you buy Solana directly from Phantom Wallet, or what you do is go to Binance and using P2P you just send those Solana those souls to your Phantom Wallet, right? Once you do that, you can go here and you can exchange it for the meme coin. Let's say right now, what is a trending meme coin? Let's say King, right? So I buy King, right? I give 2 souls and I get this much King. So yeah, that's how you get meme coins through Phantom Wallet, and you can directly buy them. But remember, this is not a financial advice. This is just a video on how you can buy the meme coins. And remember that meme coins are absolutely really risky. They're worthless, so they can drop in their worth at any time. So basically they're pushing at the moment, but they can die anytime. So thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe and let me know what else you want to see. Thank you for watching.